to another episode of Builds by Bailey. Today we're going to continue working on the Civic. We're going to go ahead and take the axles out of the bottom and try to get the thing out of there. If we don't get it out in this video, it'll be the next, but follow along and see how far we can get with it. Well, it's all out now. I've got a lot of cleanup to do, a lot of things to fix. I didn't really break much taking it out. I had just about everything unhooked. Just wanted to get snagged on everything coming out. I'm going to go ahead and take the engine apart, transmission to engine, so that way I can put it on an engine stand. And I didn't do a good job of taking the transmission fluid out of the engine, or of the transmission, because it's all over the floor. So that's going to do it for this episode of Builds with Bailey. I hope you enjoyed me taking the engine out of the Civic. Now I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, separate it, get it on an engine stand so I can start refreshing this thing and get it put back in the car. I really want to drive this thing to Riverside 5, the redo, in October. So I've got a few months to do that. I've got all the gaskets sitting in the back of the car ready to go. So follow along for the next few episodes while I get that done, so I can at least have one of my cars that I can enjoy on a daily basis. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.